Hello friends, I'm Esan from ebangaloreproperty.com. This is Comfy Home number 10. Spacious, brand new independent house, northeast corner. Ground floor, this is car garage. Other portion, there is a 12 by 19 shop is there. Eastern side, which can be rented out, or if you want, you can use it as a additional car parking. Ground floor, full parking and shop, and first and second floor, third floor, triplex 3 BHK house with a proper dining room. If required, can be converted into 4th room. So this is the north facing entrance right in the northeast corner. The plot itself is a 20 by 30 northeast corner BDA auction site. 30 feet wide tar road is there. Fully developed residential locality in JP Nagar BDA extension off Pannakatta Road. Fully developed locality, and you can see premium quality construction in this house. Living room, puja room, TV unit. In the southeast corner, modular kitchen, utility space. Excellent natural ventilation is there, as two side road is there in this property. On this first floor, there is a proper dining area. So this is the dining area with crockery unit, common bathroom in the center. Premium quality bathroom fittings will be provided. Wall mounted toilet, shower, diverter. This is puja room, east facing, with glass and teakwood main door. Granite platform, wall cladding, glass and design in the ceiling. Veneer wall paneling. Overall 2200 square feet of super built up area. On the terrace also there is a canopy. Mangalore tiles canopy is also there. So we have reached the second floor. This is a study table, and you can see center there is a window towards the road. So this area is again having good lighting. This is master bedroom in the southwest corner. Wall to wall wardrobe, POP false ceiling, LED lighting, attached bathroom. Back side towards the south also there is a setback space. Double laminate inside outside, double side. TV panel and separate dressing area. 2 mirrors are there. Attached bathroom here. Bathrooms will have Jaguar and Hindware brand fittings. Wall mounted toilet, flush tank concealed in the wall, shower, diverter. And this is the second bedroom. Spacious bedroom. Bedrooms are around 11 by 13 and 11 by 14 measurement, including the wardrobe. This room has a balcony also. Attached bathroom. And this is a balcony in the northeast corner. SS and glass railing work. Polished doors, veneer polished doors. Now let's see the top floor. Top floor staircase room. Next to that, large bedroom. This is end-to-end size, 19 by 11 feet. Complete bedroom. Can be your home theater. Accordingly, wiring has been done. Attached bathroom is here. And this is the terrace with anti-skid flooring. Large tiles. Above canopy is there. Further staircase is there for going to the tank room on top. Ladder, iron ladder. Evening good place for sitting with the family. Here also parapet wall is made, and that is the tank room in the southwest corner. and this is the shop which is on the ground floor, large shop. All other details are given in the description. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel for latest properties.